Isa ka bang Airbnb host at nararamdaman mo na yung effect ng pagtaas ng fuel recently? Kaya mababa yung booking, walang advance booking kahit summer na. Halika pag-usapan natin yan. So hello pala, I'm Wilman. I'm the unit operator of Tampisaw City and Tampisaw Stays. So 1 year na akong host, and in this channel, I'm sharing my learnings and experience as a host. And also, I share my insights regarding the staycation market, especially here in Metro Manila. From time to time, nagla-live ako at nakikipagkamustahan ako sa kapwa-host na followers ko here in my TikTok. At maraming nagsasabi na ang hina ng booking this month. At even summer na, April, Holy Week, wala pang gaanong advance booking. So how do we navigate these trying times? First is to communicate or target with nearby audience or i-position mo as nearby staycation yung unit mo. So, even in your ads, when you are promoting in Facebook group, mag-share ka lang or mag-market ka lang sa nearby market. Dahil mahal nga ang fuel, ang tao hindi sila luluwas or magdadrive ng malayo just to stay in a staycation unit. Na-realize ko to kasi nagkaroon kami ng recent booking sa Amadeo Gardens. So, yung Amadeo Gardens pa namin is a garden resort. Malaki siya, maluwag, malaki yung pool, maraming rooms, hindi siksikan. Before mag-book itong booker namin sa Amadeo, tumawag muna siya kasi marami siya clarify dahil nga big group sila. So, nasa Amadeo kami, taga Gentry sila. Gentry is katabi ng Amadeo. Tapos, meron din silang mga kinoconsider na resort. Like sa Batangas, sa Alfonso, ganyan. Sabi nila, maganda rin yung mga resort na pinagpipilian nila. However, kami yung mas mahal na malapit. Tapos, they decided to go with us. Ang reason nila, kasi mas malapit kami. If ever makahanap ka ng mura sa malayo, pero magta-travel ka, so yung oras mo, magda-drive-thru ka pa, ganyan. Bibili ka pa ng pasalubong sa malayo, ganyan. So, mas malaki yung gastos mo kapag mas malayo yung pupuntahan mo. Kapag mas malapit, syempre, pwede mo na ring sabihin na pwedeng mag-commute, so mas mura, hindi mo kailangan magdala ng sakyan, magbayad ng parking. So, that's something that you can focus on. Market on the nearby market. Second na suggest ko para manavigate natin tong trying times na to is to add more value sa offer mo, sa unit mo, but do not discount your unit too much. Sa amin kung 2,000 per night kami, hindi ko ibababa yung price ko ng 1,500 para lang makuha ko yung mga bookings dahil mataas yung operational cost ko. Ang ginawa namin, nag-add kami ng value. Like, for example, yung 2,000 per night, for 2 packs lang siya. Ngayon, may free 1 pack. In summer at bakasyon, at usually, like, hindi lang couple, but it's more of like small families or small groups, nag-outing sila. Mga parents, usually, tinitreat nila yung mga anak nila sa swimming, ganyan. So, ito yung offer namin to hook yung target market. Tulad nga nung una, nearby. And the third thing na masasuggest ko is to maximize the booking that you have. Kung meron kang guest, mag-offer ka ng something na hindi naman like hard sell, but something that they may need. For example, you can offer early check-in or late check-out for a minimal fee per hour. For example, kung 7 p.m. yung check-in time namin, if dumating sila ng 5 p.m. galing airport, we can offer like 300 pesos per hour early check-in para at least makapagpahinga sila agad. We offer this kapag bakante yung previous day or next day, if ever, like, gusto nilang mag-late check-out dahil, like, na gustuhan nilang mag-Netflix, gusto nilang tapusin yung series na pinapanood nila or mag-swimming muna. So, imbis na zero, at least kumita ka kahit konti dun sa araw na bakante. You can also set up honesty store or decors, ibang mga offers, like, for example, errands ng guest mo, lalo kapag malapit ka lang naman. So, that's something that you may consider to maximize your income sa guest without really pushing too much sa kanila. So, ayun lang guys. I hope this helps. Join pala kayo sa ating Facebook group sa Airbnb Host Helping Community at dyan tayo magkwentuhan, magtalungan about Airbnb hosting, lalo sa mga nagsisimula ngayon at talagang challenging time na agad. Tanong lang kayo dyan at baka may matutulong tayo. Guys, thank you so much at ingat tayo lagi. Bye-bye!